Where are we going now?
To see someone about my job.
I don't understand.
You don't understand what?
Are we going to the game?
I said possibly we're going to the game. You know what possibly means?
Like probably?
No, probably means there's a good chance that we're going. Possibly means we might not. What does probably mean?
It means we have a good chance.
And what does possibly mean?
I know what it means.
What does it mean?
It means that we're not going to the game.
How did you get so smart?
Because you're smart.
Probably and possibly are both used to express uncertainty or doubt about something, but they have slightly different connotations and usage. Probably implies a higher degree of likelihood or certainty around 70 to 80% chance, suggests that something is likely to happen or be true, often used to express a confident guess or a strong likelihood. Example sentences: it will probably rain tomorrow. Likely to rain. She's probably going to love that gift. Likely to love.
Possibly
Implies a lower degree of likelihood or certainty, around 30 to 50% chance. Suggests that something might happen or be true, but it's not as likely. Often used to express a more tentative or uncertain guess. Example sentences: it might possibly rain tomorrow. Might rain, but not likely. He possibly forgot about the meeting. Might have forgotten, but not sure. In summary, if you think something is likely to happen or be true, use probably. If you think something might happen or be true, but it's not as likely, use possibly.
I have a meeting after the game.
You guys going to the game?
Oh, yeah.
Possibly.
Possibly.
We're going too. I'm taking my son Tim, my 12-year-old. We were just leaving. Tim!
Listen, we'll get out of your way. Again, thank you very much, and I'm sorry about the other day, and I hope that we can...